Association of Rectors of Major Seminaries, ARMS, is one of the wings of the Commission for Vocations, Seminaries, Clergy and Religious, was formed in 2001 and approved in the 20th Plenary Assembly in 2008. This association is truly keeping the spirit of Pastores Dabo Vobis in order to promote further the mutual collaboration, coordination and effective progress in the ministry of priestly formation in our country. ARMS could organize various programs at national and regional levels during the years 2023 and 2024. The programs are given as programs at regional level and programs at national level. VSCR Commission on behalf of ARMS conducts programs at regional level, which is an outcome of the action plan or statement recommended in the National Councils of ARMS. These programs are mainly centered around the major seminarians and formators of major seminaries and study houses. The CCBI VSCR Commission designed a program titled Pastoral Engagements Revisioning for Major Seminarians, aligning with the CCBI Strategic Planning 2033. The first program was held at St. Joseph's Interdiocesan Major Seminary, Bangalore on February 28, 2024. Formators discern on the formation goal what God wants our future generation of priests. The core aspects of the program was formators analyzing the current pastoral engagement scenario, followed by group discussions on responses and assimilation. Central Eastern Region formators of both diocesan and religious gathered at Bhubaneswar in March 2024. Formators of Karnataka region plan on goal of formation in CCBI 2033. Kerala region formators gathered to plan on CCBI goal on formation in June 2024. Central Eastern Region's formators annual program on formation on digital age in October 2024. Orientation session on CCBI Pastoral Plan 2033 and formation in digital age. 72 philosophy seminarians of Viyani Bhavan Seminary and Aquinas College of Odisha region attended the program on pastoral engagements, revisioning of major seminarians in this digital area and CCBI Pastoral Plan Mission 2033. The goal on formation was discussed and they own the initial formation goal. Priestly formation is integral, holistic, missionary and synodal to configure to Christ and transform them as people concerned, credible pastors, figured in the CCBI Plan Document 2033. Major Seminary Spiritual Fathers National Seminar 2024. The CCBI Commission for VSCR, together with ARMS, organized a 3-day national seminar for the spiritual fathers of major seminaries and study houses. The seminar was conducted at St. Peter's Pontifical Seminary, Bangalore from March 7 to 9, 2024. 30 spiritual fathers from 10 states across India participated. Seminar discussed the following points: current context of seminary formation and the unique role of spiritual fathers. Seminarians to discern their vocation to priesthood, especially in this digital age. Challenges of the digital age as opportunities for the integral formation of seminarians. Encouraging to embrace the digital age with open hearts, recognizing its potential to amplify our sacred mission. Contemporary tools and resources for spiritual direction and effective strategies for the spiritual formation of seminarians. ARMS General Body Meetings 2023 at Goa, 2024 at Guwahati. ARMS General Body Meeting 2023 was held at Pillar Animation Center, Goa. Theme was Priestly Formation in the Digital Age. It was organized from November 7th to 10th, 2023. 74 major seminary rectors participated in the meeting. The meeting dynamics were presentations, discussions, reflections, and fellowship. Twenty-third ARMS National Council 2024. It was organized at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati from November 5th to 9th, 2024. The theme was Missionary Formation in the Major Seminaries. 65 major seminary rectors attended the meeting. The meeting dynamics were presentations, discussions, reflections, exposure visits to mission centers, interaction with the Buddhist monastery of Bhutan, and fellowship. After compiling the missionary formation modules, rectors had an exposure to mission centers of Guwahati Archdiocese and interaction with formators and formees of Buddhist monks formation house in Bhutan. On the way to Bhutan, rectors visited the mission center run by the Salesians. Mission center has a school and a boarding house where the rectors and hostel students had a friendly match, learning the behavior of the students in the basketball court. After the basketball match, rectors had the light moment with the staff there, sharing the snacks and the tea with them. Then the rectors visited the chapel and prayed for the center and for the missionaries. Then the rectors traveled to Bhutan. Entering into Bhutan and mingle with formees and formators of Buddhist seminary was so excited. It was indeed a refreshing experience with the monks and their ambience of formation. On the final day, Northeast Diverse Cultural Fest was beautifully organized by DBI Center. Rectors learned the diversity and smartness of DBI at Guwahati, so active and dynamic. At the end of the cultural fest, Most Reverend Bishop Varghese, the patron of arms, encouraged and thanked all.
India is incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Arms Executive Committee gratefully acknowledges the financial assistance that ensures our functions smooth and regular. The guidance, motivation and presence of the patron of arms, Most Reverend Varghese Chakkalakal, Bishop of Calicut, and the Commission member bishops are profoundly remembered. We also accord our deeper sense of appreciation towards the leadership of all the rectors and their support and cooperation for the successful completion of all the programs of arms at regional and national level.